you can give another computer remote access to your Windows 11 computer. Windows 11 has a feature called Remote Desktop that lets you connect to another computer and control it as if you were standing in front of it. This video will show you how to enable Remote Desktop on Windows. Going to System Settings is the easiest way to turn on Remote Desktop. This is how. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key +I. Select System tab. In the System menu, click on Remote Desktop from the right panel. Enable the Remote Desktop toggle switch to turn the feature on. Click on Confirm. After you've done the steps earlier, your PC's Remote Desktop protocol should be turned on. Your PC should now be set up to connect to a Remote Desktop. You can try it out with software made by Microsoft called Microsoft Remote Desktop. On Windows 11, you can also use the Control Panel app to turn on Remote Desktop. Here's what you need to do. Right-click the Start button and select Search. Type in Control Panel and open the Control Panel app. In the View By section, it should say Category. Click on System and Security. Click the Allow Remote Access option under the System section. Once the System Properties window appears, select the Remote tab. In the Remote tab, make sure that the Allow Remote Assistance Connections to this computer and Allow Remote Connections to this computer options are all selected. Click on OK. Those steps should enable remote connections and your PC should now be ready to connect to a remote computer as well. Using the Command Prompt program is another easy way to turn on the Remote Desktop feature on your Windows 11 computer. What you should do is this. Right-click the Start button and select Search. Type in CMD. Once the search result shows the Command Prompt option, right-click on it and run the app as administrator. In the command prompt, type in this command line. Afterwards, type in this command to ensure that your Windows firewall will not block any RDP connection. Here's what you need to do if you rather use the Windows 11 PowerShell instead of the command prompt. Right-click the Start button and select Search. Type in PowerShell. Once the search result shows the Windows PowerShell app, right-click on it and run the app as administrator. In Windows PowerShell, type in this command line. Afterwards, type in this command to ensure that your Windows firewall will not block any RDP connections. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.